Welcome back to the American Garage. Today's the day we take the car to the paint shop. Okay, so we arrived at the paint shop, and now we'll get ready for the paint job. Today I'm here with Veronica and Jose, and they're PaintGrl Custom's paint shop. So, y'all tell me, how did you come up with the name PaintGrl?
So I actually did work for Hennessy Performance over in Sealy, and the owner, John, he called me PaintGrl. So it kind of stuck throughout the years, and that was really my first solo thing that I did. So it stuck, and then everyone started calling me PaintGrl, and it stuck, like I said.
All right,
yeah.
all right, so
and
you are the
Jose was cool with the name, so I was like, well, the business is called PaintGrl.
Okay,
yeah.
That's a great name.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I like it.
Yeah.
Not everyone loves it, but I like it.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about what y'all do here. You do cars?
Cars, RVs, airplanes, horse trailers, travel trailers, anything you can think of, motorcycles, yeah, boats, anything you can think of.
And Jose, what's your specialty?
Painter. I'm the painter.
And the buffer.
Buffer,
Finisher. He's also the finisher.
So you're going to do the final coat on my car for me?
Yes.
All right. Excellent. All right. Well, I wanted to talk a little bit about the process. Now, if somebody was to come in with their car and just drive it in and say, paint my car, what would we be looking at?
So first we're going to look at the body. We're going to see if there's body work required, stuff like that, cracks, anything like that, moldings, we're going to look at everything and kind of be able to decipher whether we need to order new parts or what the cost is going to be based on time it's going to take to do the body work. If there's no body work, then it's less money, but you know, stuff like that. So we really just do a whole walk around. We look at every single thing.
Mm-hmm. What would an average car just driving in, ballpark, what does that run these days?
So a whole car, like a car, not a truck.
Yeah, a car.
I would say starting like $5 grand.
Okay.
$5 grand total.
Now, I wanted to paint the car myself, but I chose a color that I knew this was not a first-timer's color.
No, not at all.
Okay.
No metallics for first-timers.
No.
For DIYers.
No, that's right. All right. So that's why I came to you, the expertise. So, as a DIYer, I came to you and I stripped the car down, I took the windows out and everything.
Yep.
What kind of savings would an average person who does that, what would that gain them?
That would gain them about $1,500 worth of work.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say somewhere about there.
Okay.
That
So it's a
saves us lot of
considerable
time.
savings.
Yeah, because it saves us a lot of time. I mean, we don't have to remove them. Anytime we have to remove something, we have to call someone else professional in that area to do that. So
Gotcha.
window removal, stuff like that. We can take clips off, door panels off. That's easy, but of course it's more time. So you're still going to have to pay for that labor. You know?
Right.
So
right.
yeah, if you can do it yourself, take it all apart, and yeah,
Okay.
so much easier.
All right. Hey, let's go look at the car.
Okay.
And tell me what we're going to be doing.
Okay.
Okay. So here's my car. What is the process that we're going to be doing?
Well, the process we're going to be doing is sanding it all the way down to metal, finding all the body work, the low spots, the high spots, taking off the doors, taking off the trunk, the hood. We would have to start with the jambs, of course, and
Okay.
then put everything back on and then do the body.
Okay, so next time on the American Garage, we'll see some of the progress on the project.
Thanks for watching the American Garage. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.